Hello students, hope you all are doing good, staying fit and healthy. So as you all must be aware that Corona is reaching its peak right now, be it any place, Patna, Delhi, Bombay, Rajasthan, any place, the cases are increasing, hospitals are full with maximum occupancy, there is no bed availability, ICUs are running with pretty high occupancy. So I'm again requesting you all to stay at home, wear mask, and this is the time when we should support the doctors by following all the precautions, because this is the time when we need your support the most. So today, as a doctor, I'm requesting you all to support all the doctors, all the nursing fraternity, all the COVID warriors, each and every person working in hospital premises, each and every person working because of you, by following all the precautions. Higher the number of cases, more the pressure on us, more the pressure on the hospitals. So do your bit at least. We are doing our bit, but you also need to do your bit. Be a responsible citizen. How can you do your bit? By avoiding going out unnecessarily. See, there is no lockdown right now. Definitely you can move out freely, but avoid going if it's not a necessity. Wear a mask if at all you're going out. Always wear a mask. This is one thing which really saddens me, that we in hospitals are doing everything to protect you all, but the least we expect from you all is to wear a mask, which you people are not doing. I'm not talking about most of you who are doing, but I'm talking about that proportion of people who are not doing. And educate others. It's not just my responsibility to educate you all. It's now, when you know and you have the correct information, it is your responsibility to educate each and every person who is in contact with you, who's near you, who's living near you, who's coming in contact with you, be it your house help people, be it your colleagues, be it your friends, be it your friends' parents. Just try to educate others that this disease is for real, and the damage that this disease does to your lungs in old age becomes irreversible. These days, we are seeing a lot of patients with post-COVID complications, which means that even after being affected by the disease, the complications that occur to human body, especially people with mid-age and old age, are facing this. So take it very, very seriously. Things are changing. Life is not the same. I know it's very difficult, and I'm not here to sadden you or depress you, but all I'm here for is to educate you about it. And today I request you all to educate it further. Then only you people would be able to help the doctors, the nurses, everyone working in the hospital, by educating and spreading this information to other people, to people who are not wearing masks. And if there are people in your home who are not wearing, please educate them. Take this disease very seriously, else in no time a time would come when there would be no beds left available, and we won't not be able to help patients much. Because if you look at the data, and if you are aware, or if someone in the family must have suffered, then you must be very well aware that what the conditions of the hospital is right now in terms of availability of beds. So let's give our 100%, take full precautions, always wear a mask. One thing that you have to do is just wear a mask, and it can really protect you. And definitely social distancing. Maintain a particular distance even while talking or speaking. Even if you're meeting your friends, it's no problem to meet them, but always wear a mask and maintain distance with them, and keep washing your hands. If you, the moment you step out, keep a sanitizer with you. Just keep sanitizing your hands no matter what you are touching, where you are going. And one more request to you people is educate others about corona, especially the uneducated people, especially your house helpers, especially the people who say that there is no corona. I being doctor meet people, and people have the audacity to say it on my face that corona is nothing, it's just a rumor that corona is there. No, it's not a rumor. God forbid if someone in your family would be hit by the disease, then you will realize what corona is. But don't let that condition come in, and don't take it lightly, especially for elder people. It's really bad. People are dying not only in India but in other countries as well. It's increasing rapidly. Please stay at home. If at all you're going out, please wear a mask, sanitize your hands, wash your hands frequently if you're going out, change your clothes the moment you come in, keep your family members safe, eat healthy food, have lots and lots of warm fluids in the form of soup, dal, turmeric milk, lukewarm water, green tea, normal milk, anything that you want to have. Just have lots and lots of water. And corona is for real, and it's increasing rapidly. The cases of asymptomatic and mild symptomatic peoples are increasing rapidly. And if you're facing symptoms, please don't think that it's not corona, it's a normal viral fever. No, I don't want to get tested. At least isolate yourself. That is the least that you can do for yourself and for others, because it's a bad disease which spreads so quickly that we don't even know. So don't be ignorant about it. If you have symptoms, if you have cough, even if it's not corona, isolate yourself, because even if 0.001% it is corona, then you are spreading it to a lot of other people. So hence, wear a mask and isolate even on getting minimal symptoms like fever, cough, headache, nausea, loose stools, any of it, or anosmia, which means you're not able to smell or taste anything. Just isolate yourself. Please don't roam around with symptoms and be a super spreader, because then you are doing a bigger sin, because you know that you have corona, because you're aware that these are the symptoms of corona, and you are still spreading it to other people. Just take care, wear a mask. So right now is the time when you have to make mask and sanitizer your best friends, and whoever steps out of the house, just teach them how to do it. Just make sanitizing and cleaning your house a part of your routine, and maintain a proper distance even if you're meeting your friends or if you're going for some important work. Mask, distance and sanitizer can really protect you. And don't think that corona is not going to affect you or corona is nothing. जब तक मुझे नहीं होगा तब तक मैं नहीं मानूंगा. That is a sign of illiteracy and ignorance. You people are studying in school, you people are educated, and अब तुम लोग उस level पे हो that you can educate others, because you people are students. So definitely you people have the capability and capacity to educate others. ये मत सोचो कि कोई मास्क नहीं लगा रहा, मैं मास्क लगाऊंगा तो people will poke fun at me, or I say people saying corona खत्म हो गया है. I don't know from where are they getting these rumors, but it is very much there. Hospitals are full and it's a very very sad and scary situation out there. Please wear a mask. तुम लगाओगे तो तुम्हें देख के 10 लोग लगाएंगे. तुम नहीं लगाओगे, then you would be a part of all those illiterate fools who are not putting a mask. So don't be shy or hesitant in protecting yourself, and more than that, protecting your parents, because the age group you people are, you might not face any difficulty and you might have a swift recovery from corona even if you get it, but it is not going to be that easy for your parents. And just take care. Please wear a mask if stepping out of the house, and you should make sure that if your parents are stepping out of the house for work, they should wear a mask properly. I see people, when they talk to each other, they just pull down their mask and the nose is exposed. So then what's the whole point? You're not wearing a mask for fun or for style. You are wearing a mask to protect your nose and your mouth. Your nose and your mouth should be covered the whole time. This is what you have to teach to your parents. This is what you have to teach to your friends. That the whole purpose of mask is to protect this cavity from getting exposed to outside environment. So hence wearing a mask properly, not touching the outside surface of mask, because अगर आप बाहर से उसको छू ले रहे हैं तो उस पे जो germs है वो आपके हाथ में है. घर आके उसको बेड पे रख देना, डाइनिंग टेबल पे रख देना, these are all bad ideas. तो उसका प्रॉपर डिस्पोजल, एक पैकेट अलग बनाना जिसमें आके वो मास्क आप उतारें, वापस उसको सिर्फ वहीं से पकड़ के रखें. अगर वॉशेबल मास्क है तो उसको रोज वॉश करने की कोशिश करें. अगर सर्जिकल मास्क है तो उसको 1 या 2 दिन पे डिस्पोज ऑफ करते हैं, बिकॉज उससे ज्यादा उसकी लाइफ नहीं होती है. अगर N95 मास्क है देन डेफिनेटली आप उसको लंबे टाइम तक यूज कर सकते हैं. सो जस्ट वेयरिंग अ मास्क इज नॉट इनफ, बट knowing the right way to wear a mask and handle it and dispose it is extremely important. And this is where, students, I want you to teach everyone how to wear a mask, how to dispose of a mask, how to handle a mask, because I have told you innumerable times, I have shared innumerable videos on this topic. Still again I'm reminding you, कान वाले एरिया से ही सिर्फ मास्क को पकड़ना है, उसको उतार के एक पैकेट में रख देना है, रीयूज उसको वहीं से पकड़ के करना है, बाहर के सरफेस को टच नहीं करना है, उसको घर में किसी भी पर्सनल आइटम के ऊपर मास्क को नहीं छोड़ना है. आई होप दैट यू विल एजुकेट मोर पीपल. The whole intention of me doing this video on this topic is that I want you all to educate each and everyone in your home and near your home about the same. Take care, stay safe, wear mask, please.